I'm obsessed with this high protein cottage cheese ranch. The recipe is super easy, comes together in the blender. You're gonna love it. Hey, I'm Laura, and on this channel, I share simple recipes like this one that shows you how to make your favorites at home so you're more confident in the kitchen. If that's your jam, hit the red subscribe button so you and I can cook together a couple times a week. I'm going to mix my cottage cheese up so the liquid that you often see at the top gets mixed in. And now I'm gonna measure it directly straight into my blender. And then I'm gonna add some milk, garlic powder, some dried dill. You could also use fresh if you have it. A little bit of salt and pepper. I'm gonna start blending it on low speed, and then I'm gonna increase the speed to low to medium, just so the cottage cheese kernels really blend in smoothly. Check it out, I like my ranch on the thicker side, so if you want it a little bit thinner, you could add a little bit more milk, but be careful, it thins out real quick. Now to add that freshness, I'm going to add some fresh parsley directly into my jar. And then I'm taking my spoon and just mixing it all around. You're gonna pour it into a lidded jar where you can keep it in the fridge for up to a week. And there you have it. That's how you make cottage cheese ranch. Super easy. Grab the ingredient measurements below this video. And if you like this recipe, check out this one next. See you next time.